Thinking about using Oracle AI? Before you do, there are a few things you should know. Oracle AI is much more than just an AI chatbot, and it's mainly designed for businesses and developers. Intro. Oracle AI is a collection of AI services built into Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. It includes generative AI, AI agents, speech, vision, language processing, document understanding, and machine learning tools. So, is Oracle AI actually worth using? Let's break it down. What Oracle AI offers: the main feature is OCI, Generative AI. It gives developers access to large language models for tasks like writing, summarization, chat, embeddings, and re ranking. You can access these models through an API, Playground, or CLI. Oracle also offers AI agents, which can work with enterprise data using technologies like RAG. This makes Oracle AI particularly useful for companies that want AI connected to their internal business information and applications. There are also specialized services for analyzing documents, images, speech, and text. The biggest advantage: Oracle's biggest advantage is its focus on enterprise AI. If your company already uses Oracle databases, applications, or OCI, integrating AI into your existing infrastructure can be much easier. Oracle also provides enterprise controls such as identity management, guardrails, monitoring, and auditing, which are important for production business applications. Pricing. Pricing depends heavily on which AI service and model you use. Oracle offers a free tier for several AI services, and new users can get a 30-day free trial with $300 in credits. Generative AI is generally usage based, so your costs depend on things like the model and amount of data processed. Downsides: the biggest downside is complexity. Oracle AI is not really aimed at someone who simply wants a consumer chatbot like ChatGPT. It's primarily a cloud based platform for developers, businesses, and enterprise applications. You may also need some knowledge of Oracle Cloud and cloud infrastructure to get the most out of it. Verdict: so, should you use Oracle AI? If you are a developer or business already working with Oracle Cloud and need enterprise grade AI, Oracle AI is definitely worth considering. But if you just want a simple AI assistant for everyday tasks, there are easier options. Overall, Oracle AI is powerful, enterprise focused, and highly customizable, but it may be overkill for casual users. If you found this review helpful, please support us with like and subscribe for more quick AI and software reviews. Do not forget to share to your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.